Hi, welcome to the app. I want to talk you through how to use the app if it's a little confusing or not, or if you just want to listen to me ramble on for a minute or two. We're going to look at what's available in the app, why we are using it, what's important, and what each of the aspects mean. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll go through it that way. We'll start off looking at how you can book into classes, how you can buy price plans, and how you can check your upcoming sessions. And then we'll go through some other different components, which is the online groups, which is where we're going to track our scores for workouts and strength pieces. We also have the waivers, which is very important, which everybody must sign. And yeah, I guess we'll see it as we go along. So I'm going to share my screen now and bring us into the app. 1 second. And we can go from there. So when you start, you should get a invite code and it should bring you to the app, and this screen will be the first thing you see. Now, sometimes nothing appears, so you have to scroll up a little bit, and then all of the other pieces will appear. So when you come in, this is our homepage. Here's the link, how to use the app. That will take you to this lovely video, which you will have already been clicked on, I hope. Otherwise, how would you have got here? The most important stuff is on the homepage. So if there's any important announcements, I'll put them here. This will change from day to day, depending on what's important. If classes are cancelled or changed, or if you need to bring a particular item to class. In the next section, you have your upcoming sessions. So any sessions that you've booked or anything that's available in the calendar at the moment. If you credits on your account from buying a plan, you'll be able to book into these sessions, or if you've already booked in, that's where they will appear. So up at the top then, if we scroll through, we come to our bookings page. Initially, we'll have all the classes that you've booked into, or classes that you can book into. So some are available or some are full. You can click on them. So you just click the button for book, or as you can see here, this one is full as a consultation call. You click waitlist. So different classes will appear here. So if you buy the Project Fit membership for the month, you will attend the Project Fit classes. And something also to note is that when you book the classes, you buy the pricing plan, you'll get all of your credits for that month at that time. So ideally it's at the first of the month, and you can book all your classes then for the whole month, which I would advise doing straight away, so that you can reserve your spot in a class, so that nobody takes the class that you're used to or the time slot that you want to take. At the bottom is all the different services. So most likely everyone will be doing Project Fit classes. We'll click on there, and you can book them from there either. So how you get to the point where you can book classes, so this is like the timetable, the schedule, you can look in that way. You would already initially be signed up for some kind of pricing plan. So this will be up here, it says membership subscriptions. That will tell you what memberships you have active. And then underneath will be popular options, and then Project Fit classes, etc., all the services and what they offer. So going in and then booking them will allow you to have passes to get into your classes. And it will also make some specifications for each of the options. So say if you were to go in for Project Fit classes, it'll tell you how much it is, but also how many credits you get and some details about the classes. So one thing that's important to note is that if there are extra weeks in a month, so normally there's maybe 12 or 4 weeks, so you have 12 passes if it's 3 classes a week. If there's other months where there is slightly longer, if it's a slightly longer week, you get extra passes, so you can click in. The plans are month to month recurring. So if you want to cancel, you just get in contact with the coach, let us know, and we can freeze it or just cancel your membership. Your membership will then cancel as of the end of the month, and the recurring payment will stop. And you will still have access to the rest of that month that you had already paid for. Class cancellations, they require about 24 hours notice to cancel, so that if somebody else wants to go in from the wait list, they can. And the class will become available if it's busy. Now that won't matter at the start, but as things start to pick up a bit, that will be important. So good to note that the In order for you to maintain your credit, you have to cancel the class 24 hours before. And for booking in, I think it's an hour or half an hour that you have to give before the availability to book for the class will be closed. So once you get set up with them, if you have any issues, you just give us a buzz or send us an email or come in and we can look at it. You just, once you've booked into your class, you just show up and have fun. They are really the more important details. If you want to have a look at some more, we will go through some smaller pieces which allow us to track our workouts and our online waivers, but that should be enough to get you set up at this point. Our groups, when you join a plan, you'll be automatically added to the plans group. So if we have a look at the Project Fit, which has 3 members, it's myself, and someone else. They're not real members at the moment. As you can see here, there's group topics. So say if we're doing rowing intervals for 6 weeks and we want to track our scores, there will be a topic here with the particular piece that we're working on. You click onto it and then you upload your scores in the comments that I've put in. Obviously no one's commented because there's nobody there. And as you can see, there's a little thing that says member of the month. Because I was the only member last month of the gym, I got member of the month, goes without saying. Jokes, but you will over time get badges for if you pure things and also just show consistently. There's loads of different ones that will appear here in the groups, and it's an easy way to track your numbers. So when you're in the class, whip out the app, go into the 2-minute row intervals, look at the comments and see what you got the week before so you can progress on from there. It's all very exciting. And then if anyone feels the need to post things in the groups, a bit like Facebook, I can put in events, put up polls, videos, photos, etc. So there'll be lots going on here. It'll be great fun. And some pictures, if you want them, will go up in the group as well of you doing, say, if you did a video of your squat. That's the groups. There is online programs that won't be available at the moment, so we'll just ignore that. And then forms. This will be really important that everybody fills out a health waiver. So when you click in, it'll get your names and details and then just some things to make sure that you know you're responsible for yourself within the workout. And then terms and conditions is just another one to go through some of the terms and conditions of the pricing plans so that everything is clear from the outset. Okay, I think I'm back in business. I don't even know if that was showing my face the whole time. Hopefully not. Hopefully just a screen. That should cover most of the details about the app for the moment. Obviously, it's a work in progress, so if you please let me know if there's anything that you would like added to the video. I will do another one or add it to the end of this video explaining what's going on. I think I really zoomed through it there, but I just don't want to take too much of people's time. So hopefully this explains the app. Hopefully it's easy to use. If there's any difficulties, I would appreciate so much if you could let me know, as I won't until you say it, because you don't know what you don't know. But also, that thank you for taking the time. So I will see you all in class for lots of fun, and because you've booked and paid on the app and everything works smoothly and life is great. Goodbye.